Hello friends, I just wanted to make a video. I'm working on this Aaon unit. So I came and had the call for cooling on first and second stage, but nothing was running. So first thing I did was checking power for the unit. I had power, I had low voltage and high voltage. So after that I checked the contactor if I was getting the 24 volts in here. So yes, I'm getting 24 volts, but and the high voltage as well, but it wasn't pulling in. So I started checking my safeties. So right now it just went on low pressure lockout, and I checked my safeties, my low pressure switch, my high pressure switch, and then they were closed on the closed position, so they were good. So I'll pull the contactor, and if I pull the contactor manually, it will run. So after that, I came inside of the evap and I found the low the pressure switch that it's up there, and I checked it and it was open. So I put a jumper just to test it. As soon as I put the jumper, the unit came on and everything came on. The fan, condenser fan motor was running, compressor was running. The only thing that never came on was the blower motor. So I decided to open it. So I open it and I have power coming in, calling for it and everything, but it's not running. It's not running at all. I checked the low voltage going to the motor, and then it does have low voltage going to the motor, and I have high voltage coming in, but it will never run. So in this case, I have a bad blower motor on this Aaon unit. So that's an extra safety in case you get to work on one of these units. I checked my low pressure switch, high pressure switch, and they were good. But in this ones, usually on the Lennox and Train, you will have that pressure switch on the heating side, but on this one you will have it on the cooling side too, just to make sure the blower is running. And it was open because the blower is not running. And like I said, I had to jump it. So it's good. Right now it went on lockdown because it was freezing up because the blower is not running. But I'll go ahead and order a new blower motor, and we should be good after that.